Hey everyone! Welcome back to our travel channel. Today, we're going to share with you 30 tips you need to know when traveling Southeast Asia. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned explorer, these tips will come in handy. But before we get started, let me tell you a quick story about how knowing these tips helped me out of a tricky situation. Story. A few years ago, I decided to take a solo trip to Thailand. It was my first time traveling alone, and I was a bit nervous. I had done my research, and I knew that I needed to be careful with my belongings, especially in crowded areas. One day, while I was exploring the local market, I felt a tug on my backpack. I turned around and saw a group of kids trying to steal my camera. I quickly remembered one of the tips I had read before my trip, to always have a decoy wallet. I took out my decoy wallet, which only had a few notes and an expired credit card, and handed it to the kids. They looked a bit disappointed, but they quickly ran away. Thanks to the tip, I was able to avoid losing my valuable camera and enjoy the rest of my trip without any further incidents. Now, let's move on to the tips. 30 tips for traveling Southeast Asia. 30. Dress appropriately, avoid wearing revealing clothes in conservative areas. 29. Always carry a copy of your passport with you. 28. Research the local customs before you arrive. 27. Bargain when shopping, it's part of the culture. 26. Be cautious when using ATMs, use ones inside banks or hotels. 25. Wear comfortable shoes for walking. 24. Drink bottled water. 23. Learn basic phrases in the local language. 22. Always carry tissues and hand sanitizer. 21. Be respectful when visiting temples or other sacred sites. 20. Don't be afraid to try local street food. 19. Keep your valuables hidden. 18. Be prepared for the heat and humidity. 17. Use a money belt to store your cash and passport. 16. Use a map or GPS when exploring new areas. 15. Be wary of scams, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. 14. Respect the environment, don't litter or damage natural sites. 13. Use public transportation to save money. 12. Be aware of cultural differences, what's acceptable in one country may not be in another. 11. Learn how to haggle, it can save you money. 10. Be aware of the dress codes when visiting religious sites. 9. Use a guidebook to plan your itinerary. 8. Keep your phone charged and bring a power bank. 7. Be cautious when using public Wi-Fi, use a VPN if possible. 6. Learn how to say hello and thank you in the local language. 5. Keep your money in different places to avoid losing it all at once. 4. Be prepared for the monsoon season, which varies depending on the country and region you are visiting. Pack a raincoat or umbrella. 3. Dress modestly and remove your shoes when entering someone's home or a temple. Take precautions to prevent mosquito bites and bring insect repellent. 2. Research local transportation options, such as tuk-tuks, motorbikes, or boats, before using them. 1. Be respectful of the local wildlife, and avoid participating in activities that exploit animals, such as riding elephants or taking selfies with tigers. Remember, traveling in Southeast Asia can be a life-changing experience, but it's important to be respectful of the local culture, stay safe, and be prepared for the unexpected. Enjoy your trip. Be aware of the local currency exchange rates. Respect local customs and traditions. Check the weather before you go, pack accordingly. Don't forget to have fun and enjoy your trip. Conclusion. So, there you have it, 30 tips you need to know when traveling Southeast Asia. Whether you're a solo traveler or with friends and family, these tips will help you have a safe and enjoyable trip. Remember, the key is to be prepared, aware, and respectful of the local customs and traditions. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and stories.